So far you have seen that I made money after writing review articles, after generating my invoices. I explained everything in my 2 step-by-step tutorials how to create an invoice with Bootstrap, and I received $400. I also made $800 after writing about Emmet, a simple plugin for text editors to write code quickly. And now in this video I am going to discuss how I made $200 after rooting my Android device. When I bought my Android phone back in 2014, I decided to root my Android device. I watched some YouTube videos how to root an Android device, and I rooted my own device. And after rooting my Android device, I explained everything in detail in a step-by-step tutorial. And you can see my title, A Brief Guide to Rooting Android. In this tutorial, I explained everything in detail how people can root their Android device. I explained what is rooting, advantages and disadvantages of rooting Android, and then I explained how to root Android. This article was published at sitepoint.com and I received $200 for this step-by-step tutorial. You can see that I was just sharing my own experience and knowledge with others. I was explaining everything in detail. I was writing tutorials to make money online.